Question number 8. But if you observe, this is related to cross product. Okay. In that, cross product is there. This is cross product. So you should know the information about cross product. What is cross product? Okay. Cross product. A cross B. A cross B given by mod A, mod B, sin theta and n cap. Sin theta and n cap. Because A cross B is a vector. A cross B is a vector. This is a scalar, this is scalar, this is scalar. But A cross B is a vector. So what is the direction? Direction is n cap. What is n cap? N cap is a vector which is perpendicular to A vector and B vector both. Okay. So if I ask you from here, what is mod A cross B? Applying mod both sides, it will be mod A, mod B, sin theta and mod n cap. But n cap is unit vector, so its mod is 1. So from here, can you tell me what is sin theta value? Sin theta mod A cross B upon mod A and mod B. So this is one of the important result. Sin theta mod A cross B upon mod. Okay. Now tell me also this value. Cos theta. Cos theta is A dot B upon mod A and mod B. Here we need identity which is called Lagrange's identity. To solve this problem, we need Lagrange's identity. What is that identity? Lagrange's identity. Okay. Do you know this sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1? This is trigonometric basic identity. And what is sin theta value? This value. Mod A cross B upon mod A mod B. So we will be having mod A cross B whole square upon mod A square and mod B square. And from here cos theta value A dot B whole square upon mod A whole square and mod B whole square equals to 1. Denominator same. So it will go there, right hand side. After it comes to that. So from here, what we are getting? We are getting A cross B mod square. A dot B whole square equals to what? Mod A square and mod B square. This is the Lagrange identity. Note this first. How we get to know Lagrange's identity is useful? Because A dot B whole square and here mod whole square. See. मजा आता है solve. Now read the problem. Look here. Theta with the angle between the vectors A and B. While mod A given 4, mod B given 3. Then calculate this quantity. Calculate this quantity. It is 4 A dot B whole square. So before calculation, can I solve this inside quantity? A dot A vector minus B vector cross product A vector plus B vector. Can I solve this? Separately take this quantity which is inside that bracket. A vector minus B vector cross product with A vector plus B vector. Okay. Simple multiplication. A vector cross A vector. Then plus A vector cross B vector minus B vector cross A vector. Okay. Minus plus minus B vector cross B vector. What is A cross A? 0 plus A cross B. If I interchange the AB, it will be minus minus plus A cross B 0. What is this? Twice of. Now take this quantity. Now solve it. So actually, whatever this, its value is twice of A cross B. So twice of A cross B mod whole square plus 4A dot B whole square. Can I take 2 out from the mod? Whole square is there. So 2 to the 4 and 4 completely outside. then what will I get? Mod A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square. Okay. And what is this? What is this? Lagrange identity. This, its value is mod A square and mod B square. And you already have mod A value 4, so 4 square 16, and mod B 3 square is 9. Multiply 16 into 4, 64 into 9. How much coming? 64 into 9. 576. 576. Solve this. What is given? Let A vector and B vector be two vectors such that mod A plus B whole square given, mod A square plus 2 mod B square. A dot B given and A cross B mod given. A dot B given, A cross B mod given. You already have the relation between mod A cross B and A dot B. Use Lagrange identity. Once you try, take 2 minutes. I will set timer here. That is soothing sound, eh? But after not disappointed. You just disappointed me. First of all, when you use Lagrange identity says that mod A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square, its value is mod A square mod B square, and A cross B whole square is given 75. So use this information 75. A dot B given 3, so 3 square 9 here. Mod A square given, not given, that we need only. Okay, and mod B square we do not have. No problem, leave here. Leave here. Now use this information. Why this is given? This is also useful. It is not unnecessarily given. This is also useful. Use here mod A plus B whole square. Mod A plus B whole square is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2A dot B. And right hand side mod A square plus twice of mod B square, mod A square, cancel. Okay, and from here mod 2 mod B square, here only mod B square. So if this cancel and this cancel, here only mod B square. Correct now? Because it will come here 2 mod B square minus mod B square, only mod B square. Okay, and what is 2 A dot B? A dot B value given 3, 2 into 3, 6 mod B square. Okay, mod B square use here. 75 plus 9, 84 equals to mod A square, and mod B square we got 6, cancel 6, 14. So mod A square 14. 14 is the right answer. Area of any quadrilateral. Before that, let me tell you some extra information. Do you know if A vector and B vector are the adjacent, okay, adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Okay, what? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Then area of parallelogram. Area of equals to mod of A cross B. Okay, mod of A cross B. Suppose this is A vector and this is B vector and this is parallelogram. How we can mod A cross B? Because their proof is not in the syllabus. But you should know also. Why you should know? Because once you know the proofs, okay, then you will learn how to manipulate, how to do mathematical manipulation in vector algebra. Do you know simple formula for area of parallelogram? Base into height, simple formula. Okay. Area of, okay, base into height. Okay. What is base of this parallelogram? Base. Its side is A vector. Then what is base? Base means length. So its base will be mod A. Okay, na? Base is mod A. Okay. And height, don't know. Okay, no problem. Let's draw in perpendicular from here. Yeah. This. Suppose this is H. And this angle suppose theta. Then this is like right angle triangle. Dekho. This is like this. Theta H. Suppose this length is mod B because vector is B. So length will be mod B. Now can you tell me what is from here sin theta value? Sin theta opposite by adjacent. Opposite by hypotenuse. H upon mod B. So from here what is H value? H value sin theta and mod B. Put here height value sin theta mod B. Okay, vector A. What is sin theta? Sin theta A cross B is not mod A. Sin theta. Sin theta formula. You forget mod of A cross B. We discussed today only. Mod of A cross B upon mod A and mod B. And here mod B. A mod B cancel. Mod A cancel. So answer came mod of A cross B. As okay. So area of a parallelogram is mod A cross B, where A and B are the adjacent sides. Adjacent will not mean. So, and if you remember again, area of a triangle whose adjacent side A vector and B vector was 1 by 2 mod A cross B. 1 by 2 mod A cross B. Okay. Area of a triangle half mod A cross B, where A and B are adjacent sides of a triangle. Why half? Because parallelogram is mod A cross B and I am taking half. You think now, if I draw here one this. Now these are two triangles. One is this triangle, one is this triangle. Exactly this diagonal divided the parallelogram into triangles. So if complete area is mod A cross B, then this area how much? Half of mod A cross B. So once, in fact, you can prove also here. What is basic formula for area of a triangle? 1 upon 2 base into height. So here 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Prove? No. So now what about the general quadrilateral? General quadrilateral area with the help of vectors. Okay. Area of general or any quadrilateral. Not even parallelogram. Parallelogram is a special quadrilateral. Area of any. Okay. Quadrilateral. QUADRITR. Area of general quadrilateral, suppose ABCD here. Mix general A, B, and suppose C. A, B, C, D. With the help of vectors, very easy. Just join the diagonals. Join two diagonals. This is one diagonal and this is one diagonal. Suppose D1 diagonal and this is D2 diagonal. So area is 1 upon 2 mod of D1 cross D2. This is for any quadrilateral. And do not worry about direction, okay? We have to take AC vector as D1 or CA vector as D1 because area means positive quantity. So whatever AC or CA, that mod will eat that negative sign. This problem is let A235, okay, A235 and C minus 342 be opposite vertices of a parallelogram. ABCD. If the diagonal BD vector is given, then the area of the parallelogram is equals to. So whatever given, try to make a rough diagram. What is given? A and C opposite side, and parallelogram is there. Suppose this, and this. Suppose if this is A, then this is C because A and C are opposite side. What is coordinate of A given? 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Coordinate of C minus 3, 4 and minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Also given BD vector. If this is A, this is C, then this is B, this is D. So what is BD vector given? This vector. BD vector is diagonal. But here you do not have adjacent sides, but you have diagonals now. You have this diagonal and you can find this diagonal as well. Correct? Can you tell me what is AC diagonal answer? Diagonal AC? It is D1. Suppose D1, D2, whatever you say, no problem. Okay? AC vector. AC vector what? Final and initial. Final points minus initial points. What is AC vector? Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5i. And 4 minus 3 plus j cap and minus 2 minus 5 minus 7k cap. This is AC vector, one diagonal. Another diagonal BD already given. BD. You can say this is D2. This is given already I plus 2j plus 3k. And they ask you area. What is area answer? 1 upon 2 general. D1 cross D2. D1 cross D2. 1 upon 2. How to find cross product with the help of determinant? Ijk, Ijk. D1 components minus 5, 1, minus 7, 1, 2, 3. 1 by 2 solve. And after that modulus also you have to take. Modulus. Okay. This is mod D1 cross D2. Extra mod. Extra mod, that mod. Okay. Mod I cap and how much? 3 and minus 3 into 1, 3 and 2 to 7, 14 and 3. How much? 17. Okay, 17i minus j cap. Then 3 into minus 5, minus 15 and plus 7. How much? Minus 8. Okay, plus minus 10, minus 11. Okay, break it. Mod. 1 upon 2. Okay, it's mod 17 square, 289. Okay, 8 square, 64 because minus minus plus, and 11 square, 1, 2, 1. Solve 1 upon 2. Solve here. 4, 1, 5, 5 and 9. How much? 4, 7. 4? 7. 4, 7, 4 is the correct answer. Okay, option B. See, this also came, okay, recently, just 2 years back. Okay, and here that adjacent side is not given. That's why I have given you the general formula for area of any quadrilateral. Always 1 upon 2 D1 cross D2 mod. If you have this diagonals, use this formula. Otherwise, adjacent sides given, then use mod A cross B. Just finish.